Yo, what's up, guys? If you are here to copy any game and edit it in Roblox Studio, I will show you full guide. For example, we will check it on Murder Mystery 2 with the latest version. To get it, simply go to our site, select Game Copier, then go to the Murder Mystery page in Roblox. Right-click anywhere and select Inspect. Go to the Network tab. Refresh the page so the file has the latest version. Information about the game. Scroll up until you see the name of our game. Right-click it and select Copy as PowerShell. Now go to our website and paste what we copy. Click Copy Game, and the download will start instantly. The game has started downloading, and our game is downloaded as a Roblox Studio file. Thanks for watching and bye.